Boaters, start your engines. One minute, 15 seconds to mill time. One minute to mill time.
Russ start.
45 seconds to mill time. Thirty seconds to mill time.
Hayden Hilton. Carl Morse.
15 seconds to mill time.
Twenty-nine, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's a good start.
Ken Boyle.
Got a buoy cut on Russ Stark. You got traffic in lane 2 going into 2. Oh, he just went under.
Final lap. Final lap.
Can we get you folks to move back a little bit? That's good right there, young man. You're good right there. Thank you. We appreciate it.
Final lap. Hayden Hilton done. Ken Boyle done.
Ken Boyle, second place.
Final
Peyton
lap.
Hilton, first place. There's going to be a finish for Carl Morris. Go ahead and bring it right in. Beach Russ for bring it right on in. All right, cut the
All
course.
drivers are finished. Russ Stark done. The race is completed.
All right, order of finish. Peyton Hilton was first. Ken Boyle second. Carl Morris was third. Russ Stark was fourth. Boats came back. Go ahead and put them on.
Boaters, start your engines.
Cole Forrest.
1 minute, 15
Tom
seconds
C.
to mill time.
Richard Sedgwick.
Carl, he'll throw it in.
Shane Forrest. Art Bruno.
1 minute to mill time.
Okay, we got 7 cracker boats.
45 seconds to mill time.
Gonna be fun. Yeah, absolutely. It's rough out there. You guys will take it easy.
Lonnie Strawn.
30 seconds to mill time. Fifteen seconds to mill time.
Caleb Bounds. Twenty-nine, 28, 27,
Take it easy.
26,
Gonna be
25,
early.
24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It looks like Lonnie's over, but I'm gonna let you know when they come around. Wow, that's rough. Watch your lanes. Lonnie was over, so that's a start for Lonnie. You got Caleb Bounds out in the lead. Easy, Caleb. Oh, dead boat turn 2, out wide. Woo! Got a dead boat in turn 1 at the come around the apex. Dead boat in 1, dead boat in 1.
We gotta cover that.
Remember the 2 dead boats, one out in 2, one out in 1. My leader is Tommy, followed by Shane, Art, Cole, Lonnie. Richard and Caleb did not finish. Oh, Shane picked up something. 4 down for Tommy. Oh, that's Shane. That ain't Shane out there. Never mind. That's Cole that picked up something. Sorry.
Final lap.
Last, got a cut buoy on who? On Cole? Oh, on Tommy. Tommy got a cut buoy. That puts Shane Forrest as my leader.
Final
Last lap, Shane Forrest.
Final lap.
Last lap, Tommy.
Final lap. Final lap.
Looks like Lonnie's my lead boat. No, Lonnie couldn't have been. He had a jump start.
Lonnie Strawn done.
Lonnie had a jump start. That's a finish for
Forrest
Shane
done.
Forrest, first place.
Art Bruno done.
Finish for Art in second.
Tommy C done. Cole Forrest done.
Cole Forrest is done. Lonnie's done. Lonnie had a jump start.